Hey everybody! Today we are making a very simple recipe. It is carrot soup with pork. It tastes good and very refreshing. Even kids and adults love them. Alright, so first, you start with 1 cup of lean ground pork, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch, and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix them all together, let the meat take in the ingredients for about 20 minutes in refrigerator so the meat will be soft. After 20 minutes, take the meat out of the refrigerator and shape them into meatball size, then boil them. I used 1 liter of water for the soup. Put the lid over and let them boil. Add coriander, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Knor chicken flavor, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Put in 2 cups of sliced carrots in. Boil them with the lid on for about 20 minutes or until the carrots are cooked. Now it is ready to be served. I also put the ingredients below in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.